When perfection meets innovation, you get the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Samsung takes a bold leap with the Galaxy Z Flip5, showing the world that even greatness can be improved upon. Unfold the magic. Meet the new face of folds. Imagine a world where innovation knows no bounds. Behold the Galaxy Z Flip5, a masterpiece that redefines what a phone can be. Experience the thrill of a fresh design with an upgraded cover screen that promises versatility like never before. The hinge that defies gravity is a whole new fold. Say goodbye to edges and hello to flat-out amazing. The Galaxy Z Flip5's revolutionary hinge design is the hero of the hour, bending the rules and breaking barriers. Prepare for a foldable experience that's as smooth as it is sensational. Power up with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The next gen has arrived. Brace yourself for lightning-fast performance. With the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the Galaxy Z Flip5 is a powerhouse that defies expectations. Say hello to doubled storage, 256 gigabytes of awesomeness. Capture moments, redefine memories, the camera revolution. Elevate your photography game with the Galaxy Z Flip5's incredible camera system. From wide-angle wonders to stunning selfies, this phone transforms moments into memories. Ready to capture life's brilliance? Brighten up your world. Display brilliance like never before. Immerse yourself in vibrant colors and dynamic visuals. The Galaxy Z Flip5's internal display gets a dazzling boost, making every glance a breathtaking experience. Prepare to be dazzled. Bold, beautiful, and beyond. Galaxy Z Flip5 specs at a glance. A design that defies norms, a display that astonishes, and power that's unmatched. The Galaxy Z Flip5 is more than just a phone, it's a technological masterpiece. Unboxing wonders, Galaxy Z Flip5's arrival is a showstopper. Unveil the extraordinary. Opening the Galaxy Z Flip5's box is like entering a realm of wonder. The sleek, half-height black box teases the magic within. Say hello to the future of tech. Unlock the future. Dive into the Galaxy Z Flip5 experience. It's time to step into a world where innovation knows no bounds. The Galaxy Z Flip5 is more than a phone. It's a promise of extraordinary moments and unforgettable journeys. Are you ready to flip your expectations?
Once you see the truth